Hey guys, it's Candy. I fell off the wagon for a little bit, but you best believe your girl is back. I kind of lost my voice for a little bit, but it is just coming back. And so here I am. Hope you guys are having a great New Year so far. But anyway, we are starting off our style for today. Today we are doing a butt length faux locks, okay? Individual crochet. So first things first, you already know you have to make your braids. And so that's what I'm starting with, making the individual braids, individual boxes, starting with a plait and then changing and transitioning into a twist, which is my choice. Yeah, my desired way of doing things. You don't have to do it that way. You could braid it all the way to the end. Just don't try to twist it from the roots to the end because you will have problems, okay? Again, starting with a braid, making sure that your braid is not too tight, because if your braid is too tight at this point, then once you get to the next step, then it's going to be unbearably tight and cause unnecessary damage to the hair. All right, so we're continuing. We're at almost at the top. Yes, almost at the finishing point. So just showing you guys again, just adding some braiding product, my Shine and Jam, and just braid for an inch. And then I start separating the hair into two and twisting all the way to the end. All right. And with that, we are pretty much all done with my braiding. Yes, let's show you guys the actual faux locks that I'm using. This one is from Umilar, an Amazon store, and I'm also using the Outre Springy Afro Twist hair. Both hairs are 24 inches in length, and both hairs are actually color number 350. So to start, I insert my crochet tool in the loop of the locks, attach her hair and pull it through the loop. Now I'm inserting the crochet tool at the base of her braid, attaching the end of her hair to the hook and pull it through. With that being said, I went ahead, cut the hair in half, separate it into three. So this is 1/3 of the piece of hair. I hold the short piece of hair against her hair, and I'm gonna just start to wrap. Now for the wrapping, you want to make sure that you wrap maybe about 3 or 4 times or thereabout in place, just to make sure that it is quite secure. If it's not secure enough at the top of the hair, then it's going to definitely loosen, start to slip, and your hairstyle will get ruined pretty fast. All right, so I am now wrapping all the way to the end, and you're just going to continue wrapping until the hair is fully secured or fully wrapped around her hair. And I'm going to palm roll it, and there you go. Easy breezy. Lock number one is done. Insert into the loop, attach her hair to the crochet hook, close the hook, pull it through the loop, and then we go to the base of the braid, insert the crochet tool, attach the end of her hair to the loop or the crochet hook rather, and pull it through. There you have it. It is in place. Now we're going to go ahead, get at 1/3 portion of a half of the hair and start wrapping about 4 times in place before you start descending and wrapping all the way down until all of her exposed hair has been covered. Once her hair is covered and you go a little bit past that mark, then you are good. Palm roll. It is sealed and you don't have to worry about any premature loosening of the locks. Again, for good measure, insert, add her hair, pull it through the loop, insert the crochet tool at the base of her braid, attach the end of her hair to the crochet hook, pull it through, and the next step is just to do the wrapping. And you just wrap the hair around for about well, maybe 3 or 4 times in place before you start descending down the lock. Wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. And you just want to wrap until all of her hair is covered and until that piece of spring twist hair is all done, wrapping around the lock. All right, once you're done with that, then you palm roll and you are good to go. So I'm going to show you guys a final one in the front. Insert into the loop, pull her hair through, insert at the base. Once it's secured, you just go ahead and wrap. Guys, it's a repetitive process. It's a simple process. Believe it or not, once you get one and you keep practicing, you will ace it. You will literally get to the point where you are a pro at doing this. It's very, very easy and yeah, easy to achieve. The key is to make sure that your parts are neat, because you want to make sure that once you're looking at the style, your parts are not too crooked. And if you decide to style the hair in a half up, half down, the parts will be exposed. And so make sure that those are nice and clean. All right, so we're adding a little bit of mousse onto the hair, making sure that the hair is nice and moisturized. Spraying it a little bit with some braid spray. And yeah, we're pretty much done, guys. This is the final look. It is literally butt length on her. 24 inches is butt length on her. But this color is so beautiful. It's nice and bold. Yeah, not for the faint of heart, not for the reserved, because it is really saying, hey, here I am. You cannot ignore me. So let me show you guys the front and how it is looking lengthwise. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty neat. So details of the hair, I did receive 7 packs in the package, yes, of the crochet locks, and each pack has 16 pieces. I only used 5 packs and then 2 single locks from the 6th pack, giving me 82 locks. So this is 82 locks that was used to achieve the look, and I just used maybe a half of the pack of the wrapping here. So guys, this is the final look. And just so you guys can see the true length, I had her stand. Yeah, and if you're taller, definitely this would be maybe just at your waist. But because she is not so tall, it literally went beyond her waist and kind of fell at the top of her butt. Yeah, so guys, this is today's offering. Again, my apologies for being MIA. I will definitely leave the link for the hair in the description bar below. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do love you guys. Do appreciate you guys. Appreciate your support. And I just want to wish you guys all the best for 2025. I think I already did in another video, but just to officially do so, wishing you guys all the best. Hope we can do great things together for this year. And let me know down below if there's a style that you want me to actually show you, and I will definitely try my best to do so. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did have her sit back down so that I can add a little bit of accessories to her style. She wanted some charms, and so those were added just to give the little buzz, give the style some extra buzz, a little bit of bling bling bling. But again, guys, thank you for watching, and I do love you. Talk to you in my next one. Bye.